Erin Patterson has been found guilty of murder, and this was her weapon, a beef Wellington. I sat in court for most of the 8-week trial, and today I'm going to walk you through the evidence that saw her found guilty. My name is Guy Adams, and this is Evidence Box. This is a trial a case that is predominantly about mushrooms, and here in the evidence bag we have a mushroom. In this trial, the type of mushrooms that were at the centre of the case did not look like this. The type of mushrooms was a variety known as the Deathcap. You can see it here. Now there's a reason the person in that picture is wearing a blue glove, and that's because Deathcap mushrooms are incredibly poisonous. In fact, during the case we heard from a number of mushroom experts. This is a very important one in the context of the trial. He's a man called Tom May. His nickname is Funky Tom. Now he appeared in the witness box and told us exactly what happens if a human being ends up eating one of these mushrooms. And basically, over the course of about a week, all of your vital organs shut down and you are likely to eventually die. Your liver is probably the first thing and most important thing to go. Erin Patterson lived in Victoria, a state in southern Australia. She lived in a rural town called Leongatha, about 2 hours drive southeast of Melbourne. Now in that part of the world, Deathcap mushrooms tend to grow in the autumn, which is in the months of April and May when it's starting to get rainy. And they're quite rare, but they pop up underneath oak trees. Now the prosecution's case was that Erin Patterson deliberately sought out these quite rare and highly poisonous mushrooms in order to feed them to her guests at a lunch that took place in July 2023. The defence's case was that she definitely did feed her guests Deathcap mushrooms that day, but that this was an accident.